Welcome. My name is Didi and I am Mr. Data Science's assistant. Today, we will be discussing how to import the MNIST dataset using Tensorflow. Before getting into the code, let's go over my objective with this presentation and some of the assumptions I have made. My primary objective is to show you how to import the MNIST dataset using Tensorflow 2.0. My assumptions are: 1. You have Python installed on your machine and are able to install libraries on your own. 2. You are familiar with the Python programming language. 3. You have Tensorflow 2.0 installed on your machine. And 4. Your machine is connected to the internet. To import the MNIST dataset, we will use the Tensorflow 2.0 Keras library. First, we have to import the MNIST library from tensorflow.keras.datasets. Once you have imported the MNIST library, use the load data method to import the data into training and test variables. In this example, X includes images and Y contains the numerical value an image represents. Train contains data you should use to train your model, and test contains data you should use to evaluate model performance. By default, the dataset import splits the training and test data into 60,000 and 10,000 samples respectively. You can use the following code to display the shapes of each variable. After importing the dataset, you can use matplotlib to plot the images. We will go over plotting MNIST images in a separate tutorial. For now, this image provides a snapshot of several MNIST images for your convenience. The references used to create this presentation are shown below. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial and look forward to helping you in the future. Have a great day.